Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. So today we are at Candies and we've got Faizan the wheel spinner with us, and also there's Sanitij who owned H2 previously and now he's got the new GSXR 1000. And here's with us Plato who owns a 650, and that's Sanitij's brother. So let's ask some questions to Sanitij as well as Faizan. So here we are on a casual talk with Faizan the wheel spinner and Sanitij Patil. Let's ask them some questions. So the first question is, how did the love for motorcycles start with you?
All started actually with a dream.
Okay.
तो जब फर्स्ट टाइम बाइक देखा था लाइक एट्रिया मॉल में BMW के शोरूम में, फ्रॉम दैट टाइम लाइक बस लेना है एक सुपर बाइक. Then it started with R15 and now I am on this Hayabusa and change approx around 15 to 20 bikes from the first day. Now all good and all happy with this beast anytime.
तो आपने R15 कभी खरीदा था?
It's like 2012.
2012.
Yeah.
Okay.
2012 my first bike was there. Then later I switched on super bikes on 2015. From 2015 I started owning a super bike.
Okay. Which was your first super bike?
Benelli 300 inline 2-cylinder. Then later I switched on to Triumph Speed Triple 1050.
Okay.
Then G1000. Then Hayabusa. Then Ducati Devil. Then 10R. Then again Busa. Then 10R. Then again this beast.
A lot of motorcycles.
Yeah, actually around 15 to 12. 12 to
12 to
maximum,
15
yeah.
motorcycles since then.
Yeah, since that.
और आपने फर्स्ट मोटरसाइकिल कभी देखा था? फर्स्ट सुपर बाइक
First
जब भी
super
आपको वो
bike,
ड्रीम ये हुआ?
It is like I was a child.
अच्छा, बचपन में.
हाँ,
और आपका फर्स्ट मोटरसाइकिल वाज R15.
R15.
Okay. So let's ask Sanitij some question. Sanitij,
Yeah.
how did the love for motorcycles start with you?
Actually, my uncle had an R1 and an R6 in 2001. So I was almost 6 years old when I have seen that bike, and I fell in love with it.
Okay.
And after my 12th, I brought R15, which was similar to R1 and R6 in the looks, not
Right.
in powers but in looks. So I fell in love with the bikes.
So your first motorcycle was also a R1, R15.
R15.
So you both had the R15 as your first motorcycle.
2012 version, yeah, V2, which we call V2.
So now I know if you need to upgrade to motorcycles like this, from where it starts. It's like kind of, I've heard many motorcycle owners right now who own a super bike had an R15 as their first motorcycle.
And
So-
I still have it.
Okay, he still has it.
I
Wow.
still have it.
So do you remember the count of motorcycles you owned?
Around 45 to 50 bikes,
45 to 50 bikes.
including Dios also.
Wow. It's a lot. It's a lot. In the time span of
Almost
10 years?
5 to 6 years.
5 to 6 years.
Yeah.
Wow. So for Faizan it is from 12 to 15 motorcycles, but for Sanitij it is around
only for
40.
super bikes.
Acha, okay. His count of super bikes is just it's just 12 to 15 motorcycles, and for Sanitij it's been like 40 to 50. Wow. So what is your plan of next motorcycles?
I'll be going on GS next after this for sure.
GS
Or-
1250
1250.
Wow.
Rally edition.
Rally edition.
Or then Goldwing
Cool.
for sure.
Good.
Any of this. Now I'll switch on to adventure.
Acha. What are the motorcycles that you currently own?
Right now I have this and a Tiger, Triumph Tiger.
Okay. So a Tiger and a Busa.
800 XEA.
XEA.
A.
Okay. Cool. Sanitij, your list of motorcycles that you own currently?
I told you, Ninja 650 Tourer version.
Okay.
Then Fireblade R1 as well. I forgot to mention R1 2007 model. R1 Fireblade and H2. And this now, blue GXXR 1000.
Which is by far the best motorcycle that you
For
own?
me, is to always the H2.
It's the
The
H2.
power, the looks, everything. I love the bike.
Okay.
And I regret selling the bike. Always. Always.
I know where this is going personally. Which is by far the best motorcycle that you have owned?
This one.
The Busa?
Yeah. The same one. Not the last one, but this is the best for now.
Okay. And what's your dream motorcycle?
Goldwing.
Goldwing? Sanit, is your dream motorcycle?
Mine is Pinnacle V4S.
Panigali V4S.
So far is the V4S because I have already owned the S2. So now it's the V4S. Ducati V4S.
So is it coming next? Anytime sooner?
Very
Let's see.
Let's see.
Very soon.
What's your say on maintaining motorcycles? Like, how do you maintain motorcycles? What care do you take? Basic tips and tricks of owning one
Basic tips are
maintaining
washing and all, greasing the chain, lubing the chain, and maintaining a record of bikes is very important.
and right.
Like service after 5 to 6,000 kilometers, track of tires to be changed. That's it.
What are the upgrades that you have done on the Gixxer GSXR as of now?
This is the stock bike. Only I've changed that exhaust.
The exhaust to Yoshimura. Faizan, your list of upgrades on the Busa?
Nothing much, like sliders and few aftermarket accessories are there.
Okay.
I had some there. You can see. And we'll searching for this Yoshimura for sure, and I'll put that later on.
A message for people watching this video?
Chase your dreams. Work hard. Work hard for your bikes. You'll achieve your dreams sooner or later.
Anything you would like to add, Faizan?
No, just go for it. Go for your dreams. Go behind for your dreams, and just see ahead what you want actually on a
Okay.
superbike, and what superbike do you want.
As per their needs and everything.
Yeah. Don't just rush into any bikes like I want this, I want that. First see and go from down to up.
Okay.
Like start from
Upgrade from
150,
smaller CC motorcycles to
then
bigger ones.
650, then later on come on to 1000 and all.
Rather than buying a super
Yeah,
bike as
directly
your
rather than
first
buying a
bike.
superbike, go for a lower CC, then come up. So guys, follow me on Instagram. This is my ID @_wheelspinner. And you can follow him as well. Chinmay Raj Salvi Vlogs. Do follow him. Do subscribe his channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.
So that was Faizan's first YouTube video that he shot. Any kind of video that he shot. So he was a bit nervous, but follow him on @wheelspinner. So you can follow Sanitej on his Instagram ID. That's here. That's it for this vlog. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.